Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to mirror cards in Trello. So first thing you're going to need to do is open Trello and go to the board where you want to mirror cards. And then once you're here, just click on the Power Ups button. It's usually at the top of your board. And then just search for card mirror in the Power Ups directory. And make sure to tap on the Add Power Up to enable it in your board. Now, once you're done with that, once the power up button is enabled, open the card that you want to mirror and then look for the mirror card option in the cards menu or power up section. And then just select the destination board or list where you want the mirrored card to appear. And once you have done that, any changes made to the one mirrored card, like for example, due dates, descriptions, comments, and etc., will automatically sync with its counterpart. And that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!